is another remarkable event. Is that launching of Yamaha Apparel? It might be looking little bit ordinary, but it's a special occasion because Yamaha Apparel only sold by the Yamaha company, Yamaha own company. This is the first distributor in the world. We are getting this license to sell the Yamaha Apparel.
My name is Hiroshi Setogawa of Yamaha. ACI need apparel, but unfortunately, our parts division cannot allow. 1 year not cannot allow. So I really push them together to this Murata-san. Finally today, we got the apparel in Bangladesh.